Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of a package I got from Thailand, and it came in a DHL box which I opened already, and I had to have signature required in order to receive the package, which was really nice. So it has a dust bag, and you guessed it right, it's a pre-love LV. It is a blue denim, which is my first denim one. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, this is the first time. Look how gorgeous. It is in such nice condition. Look at this hardware. Okay, let's open this up. Try to switch arms, sorry. Open this up for you. Opens up pretty easily, but I'm using just my right hand, so I had a little hard time opening it, but it opens up pretty easily. Here is the interior. Let's take out the stuffing. The interior looks amazing. It's very clean. You can see it has a tiny bit of a smell, but not too bad. Yeah, overall looks fantastic. Here's the back of the bag. I'm so excited. It is a crossbody with adjustable straps. Here are the straps. And the straps are adjustable. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, or follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. See you next time.